Hey guys, it's me. Agent J2006 here. So we're at the I don't know. I forgot the place. It's a car place. And my brother's getting a new car. It is. I'll try to show you it right now. Oh, it's gone. It drove away. It was right here. Where I'm walking at right now. It was right there. So, yeah, so I got a new thing from a worker here who gave it to me. You might see this as my new book bag. People who watch my videos this might be my my book bag. So yeah. And it only has one thing, not two, just one. So yeah. I just wanted to tell you my video of my brother getting a new car, and yeah, and I'm at the Dodge Jeep place, whatever you want to say it is. I'm on a brick thing right now, but yeah, if whatever you want to say. So yeah, oh yeah, like I'm at the Three Rivers place, the Chrysler, the Dodges, and the Jeep, and the Ram, which you can't see at the bottom. Then right you can see, I'll zoom in if you want me to. Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Yeah, that's all where I'm at right now. So yeah. So yeah, I just wanted to make a video of that, of my brother getting a new car. So yeah, it's been me, Agent J2006 here. Subscribe, like, peace, comment. Peace.